sauce. Into the dough.
Pizza sauce yun ah.
Okay, put it in the dough.
Ibuhos mo na, ibuhos mo. Ibuhos mo.
You spread it.
Ibuhos mo.
Okay, go.
You spread it, you spread it. Circle daw, circle. Make it.
Ikalat mo sa buong ano.
Spread, spread.
Hanggang sa malagyan lang po natin yung roasting or pardon po ng pizza sauce.
Okay, spread.
I don't want it to be on the crust.
Man, wala nagpipicture kay Clark. Wala nagpipicture kay Clark. Wala nagpipicture kay Clark. Spread.
Wait pa ate. Let's put this picture.
And you scoop this one.
Wait lang.
Scoop more.
Wait lang. Picture lang kapag ako.
The rest, yeah, I scoop the rest of the pizza. Okay, picture of. Spread it on the the dough.
My gloves spread.
Spread to the edges. Spread. Nancy, ano din?
Spread na po ba lahat?
Spread.
Okay. I don't want it to be in the crust.
Yeah, but this one's not the crust part.
There we go. Okay, I have a full circle. Some got in. Some ketchup got in.
Yeah. Yeah. Picture mo itong apat to.
Yummy. Angel. Some ketchup got in.
Ano pa ba?
Ketchup got
Then
in.
after po natin ma-spread na yung ating pizza sauce, next naman po natin yung ating cheese.
Cheese pala
Spread
una.
lang po natin siya ng
Cheese, yan,
circular.
cheese.
Outer to inner po hanggang sa malagyan yung ating roasting.
Oh, what?
Sprinkle lang po natin
Spread lang,
ang
spread.
cheese. Outer to inner
Spread.
po para iwasan natin
And then you eat your cheese.
cheese leaving or center loading po.
Tapos, pwede po natin from outer to inner ang ating cheese.
From outer.
Outer
Outer
to
lang.
inner.
Yung mga gilid muna yun.
Yan.
Yan, ano.
Yan, tapos papasok sa loob.
You put. You finish it all. Finish it.
Okay, that's a lot of cheese, right? Why do they want us to pour all?
Very good.
Get more, you get more.
So, okay, all you have to do is to fill the pizza dough with peanut cheese.
Sarili yan.
That's a lot.
Yung gitna, yun na. Yung gitna mo pa.
It's okay na. It's okay na.
Isn't that okay?
Okay na. It's okay na. It's okay. Can I scatter it? Okay, it's okay. In here around.
You can scatter it?
Spread na po ba lahat ng cheese?
Don't use the hand kasi all the tomato sauce will go in your
Next naman ang apple. Like po,
Apple, pineapple.
pag-spread natin sa ating cheese, outer to inner din po natin siya lalagyan.
Make sure you put it in
Gilid muna yun. Kunin mo lang, may tubig yan eh.
Pag nakita
you get
siya
one.
lahat po may toppings.
Sa may gilid muna ulit
Make sure
yun na,
you
paikot.
evenly spread it.
Papasok. Yan. Sige, tama yan.
Go.
Ikalat mo.
Try
Paikot
to
mo,
see
paikot.
which part doesn't have it. And then you put there.
Yan.
Pineapple.
Sarap. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo.
Nice yan.
I made a smiley face.
You did?
Yeah. Look. Look, I made a smiley face. Did I make a smiley face?
Kinain ko. Makainin niya, bebenta mo.
I think I want to go. I want it to be the best.
Here, there's last
Pero
one.
po. Sa gitna. gitna, sa gitna. Wag yung tubig.
Okay, not the water.
I don't feel it on the inside.
Tapos yung mga space yun na, doon mo lagay yung ham mo.
That's good. Maybe you can just
Hindi,
spread
yung ham
this
mo
one.
mamaya, doon mo ilagay.
Pineapple.
Spread yung ating pineapple.
Spread it.
Next naman po natin is sweet ham po.
Ham.
Ayan, ham na, ham.
Lang din po sa pineapple.
Yan, sige, kaya po.
Outside to inner din po natin siya ilalagay.
Then,
Oh, lahat ng may space, lagyan mo.
Get like one by one instead. Or no.
one by one. Can you help me?
There, there.
Get off my gloves. Oh no. One by one. Alright. I put some on the pineapple.
Lahat yan, lalagay mo.
Hope there's
Doon pa
space.
yun, oh.
One hand.
Nabangga ka? Ay, doon sa may taas, oh. Doon. Yan, yan.
There we go. There we go.
Huwag mo pagpatungin.
Sarap yun, oh.
Dito, yun na, yun, oh, yung mga space, oh. Yan. Urong mo din yung ham mo na nandun. Hindi, ayun, oh, yun, oh, yun, oh. Yan. Urong mo dito. Ito, yung nasa...
Check lang po natin ha.
Okay, the chef will check.
Hindi lang na-spread ang ating